Carrot. Emily added a vibrant orange carrot to her salad for an extra burst of color and nutrition. Alcohol. The friends decided to celebrate their reunion with a bottle of sparkling alcohol. Mum. Sarah's mum surprised her with a homemade birthday cake. Headache. After hours of staring at the computer, James developed a throbbing headache. Tennis. Every Saturday, the community gathers at the local courts for a friendly game of tennis. Tuesday. Lisa attends her dance class every Tuesday evening. Theater. Jenny and Tom enjoyed a captivating play at the local theater. 90. Clara's grandmother celebrated her 90th birthday with a grand party. Guide. The tourist used a city guide to explore historical landmarks. Royal. The ballroom was decorated in elegant royal blue and gold for the grand event. Ability. Learning a new language requires dedication and the ability to adapt. Wing. The majestic bird spread its impressive wings and took flight. Tradition. The family gathered for Thanksgiving, continuing the annual tradition of sharing gratitude. Towel. After a swim, Maria wrapped herself in a soft beach towel. Earn. Through hard work, Sarah was able to earn a well-deserved promotion. Habit. Breaking a bad habit often requires conscious effort and perseverance. Event. The city hosted a grand cultural event celebrating diversity. Basket. Lisa arranged fresh fruits in a colorful basket as a centerpiece. Balance. Maintaining a healthy work-life balance is crucial for well-being. Exercise. Regular physical exercise is essential for good health and fitness. Fourth. The explorers set forth on their journey, eager to discover new lands. 18. Jessica celebrated her 18th birthday with a memorable party. Perform. The talented musician was invited to perform at the prestigious concert hall. Every day, Jack's favorite mug was a reminder of the everyday moments he cherished. Village. The small village nestled in the mountains had a tranquil charm. Journey. Life is a continuous journey, filled with twists, turns, and unexpected adventures. Supply. The teacher asked the students to bring their own supply of pencils and notebooks. Helpful. The librarian provided helpful assistance to students searching for books. Useless. The broken watch was useless, so Emma decided to buy a new one. 14. At the age of 14, Rachel discovered her passion for painting. Gum. Alex discreetly chewed a piece of gum during the long meeting. Replace. It was time to replace the old, worn-out tires on the car. Emotion. Sarah's eyes revealed the depth of her emotion as she listened to the moving music. Stubborn. Despite numerous attempts to fix it, the stubborn door refused to budge. Provide. The company promised to provide comprehensive training for all new employees. Beef. The chef recommended trying the grilled beef tenderloin for a flavorful dining experience. Nephew. Mark took his nephew to the park for an afternoon of fun and games. Victory. The team celebrated their hard-fought victory with cheers and high fives. Title. The author carefully selected the perfect title for her upcoming novel. Furniture. The antique shop was filled with unique and beautifully crafted pieces of furniture. Blanket. On chilly nights, Emma wraps herself in a cozy blanket to stay warm. Surface. The sleek and polished surface of the marble table reflected the room's elegance. Niece. Susan received a beautiful necklace as a gift from her favorite niece. Gloves. In the winter, everyone in the northern town wears thick gloves to keep warm. Soap. The handmade lavender-scented soap left a refreshing fragrance in the bathroom. Signature. The artist proudly signed the painting with a bold and distinctive signature. Zoo. Families flock to the local zoo to see the exotic animals from around the world. Cope. In times of stress, finding healthy ways to cope is essential for well-being. Compound. The scientist carefully mixed chemicals in the laboratory to create a complex compound. Abuse. The organization works tirelessly to raise awareness about the devastating effects of domestic abuse. Accurate. The detective relied on accurate information to solve the mysterious case. Acquire. Through hard work and dedication, Sarah was able to acquire new skills. Bake. The enticing aroma of freshly baked cookies filled the kitchen. Barrier. The tall fence served as a barrier to keep the deer out of the garden. Battery. Before going on the road trip, Mark made sure to charge his camera battery. Beard. Tom decided to grow a beard during the winter months for extra warmth. Behave. The teacher reminded the students to behave during the school assembly. Beside. The cozy bookstore was beside a charming cafe, creating a perfect reading nook. Bicycle. Maria commuted to work every day on her trusty bicycle. Bin. Sarah sorted the recyclables and placed them in the appropriate recycling bin. Biscuit. The warm and flaky biscuit melted in her mouth, a perfect complement to breakfast. Bonus. As a reward for exceptional performance, employees received a generous year-end bonus. Brush. With a gentle brush of his hand, the artist added the finishing touches to the masterpiece. Bucket. The children filled their sandcastles with water from a bright yellow bucket. Budget. Creating a realistic budget is crucial for managing personal finances effectively. Butcher. The local butcher always provides the freshest cuts of meat to his customers. Carpet. The luxurious Persian carpet added a touch of elegance to the living room. Centimeter. The tailor measured the fabric with precision, down to the last centimeter. Cereal. For a quick breakfast, Jane usually opts for a bowl of whole grain cereal. Certificate. After completing the course, Maria received a well-deserved certificate of achievement. Champion. The dedicated athlete trained tirelessly to become a champion in her sport. Chemical. The scientist carefully mixed the chemical compounds to observe the reaction. Check. The landlord received the monthly rent payment by check. Cherry. The children delighted in picking ripe cherries from the orchard. Cigarette. Knowing the health risks, Sarah decided to quit smoking and tossed her last cigarette. Cinema. The friends decided to spend their Friday night at the local cinema, watching the latest blockbuster. Citizen. As a responsible citizen, Mark actively participated in community cleanup events. Classroom. The teacher decorated the classroom with colorful posters to create an engaging learning environment. Data. Analyzing the collected data, the scientist made significant discoveries. Darling. The elderly couple affectionately called each other darling after decades of love and companionship. Deaf. The musician composed beautiful music despite being deaf from birth. Delay. The flight experienced a brief delay due to bad weather conditions. Diary. Sarah diligently wrote in her diary every night, documenting her thoughts and experiences. Dish. The chef presented a delicious dish adorned with colorful herbs and spices. Eastern. The eastern part of the country is known for its rich cultural heritage. Economic. The government implemented new economic policies to stimulate growth. Email. Lisa received an urgent email from her boss, requesting a quick response. Employ. The company decided to employ additional staff to handle the increasing workload. Enable. The new software update will enable users to access advanced features. Fee. The university charged a tuition fee for each semester. Finance. Understanding personal finance is crucial for long-term financial stability. Flow. The river's gentle flow created a calming and serene atmosphere. Formula. The scientist worked tirelessly to discover the perfect formula for the experimental drug. Frequent. Sarah made frequent visits to the local library to satisfy her love for reading. Fridge. The chef stored fresh ingredients in the restaurant's large commercial fridge. Fry. The chef demonstrated how to properly fry the perfect golden brown chicken. Fulfill. Helping others often brings a sense of purpose and helps fulfill one's life. Industry. The city thrived due to the growth of the technology industry. Injury. After the accident, Mark suffered a minor injury but recovered quickly. Institute. The research institute played a key role in advancing scientific knowledge. Jam. Sarah decided to make homemade strawberry jam using fresh berries from the local market. Journalist. The journalist interviewed the mayor to gather information for the upcoming news article. Absence. Sarah felt a deep sense of loneliness in the absence of her closest friends. Keen. Mark was always keen to explore new opportunities and challenges. Kettle. The whistling sound of the boiling kettle signaled that tea was ready. Keyboard. The musician's nimble fingers danced across the piano keyboard during the concert. Knee. After years of playing sports, James experienced occasional pain in his right knee. Label. The neatly printed label on the package indicated the contents and destination. Laboratory. The scientists conducted groundbreaking experiments in the state-of-the-art laboratory. Labor. The construction workers engaged in strenuous labor to complete the project on time. Lack. The lack of communication led to misunderstandings within the team. Ladder. Mark carefully climbed the tall ladder to reach the top shelf in the storage room. Lamb. The chef prepared a delicious roast with tender pieces of succulent lamb. Lamp. The soft glow of the bedside lamp provided a cozy ambience in the bedroom. Landlord. The landlord promptly fixed the leaky faucet in the tenant's apartment. Lazy. Despite having a long to-do list, Mark felt unusually lazy and decided to take a nap. Leader. A true leader inspires and guides their team toward shared goals. Leadership. Effective leadership involves not only making decisions but also inspiring others. Leaf. The vibrant autumn colors transformed each tree leaf into a work of art. Lean. The tower seemed to lean slightly to one side, creating a unique architectural feature. Leather. The luxurious car interior was adorned with high-quality, soft leather seats. Lend. Mark was always willing to lend a helping hand to his neighbors in need. Leisure. During their leisure time, the family enjoyed picnics in the park. Log. The crackling sound of burning wood echoed through the cabin as the fire consumed each log. Logical. The detective used logical reasoning to piece together the clues and solve the mystery. Lorry. The delivery company used a large lorry to transport goods across the country. Library. Mark spent hours in the local library, engrossed in books on various subjects. Mainly, the menu at the restaurant consisted mainly of dishes inspired by Mediterranean cuisine. Maintain. It's essential to regularly maintain your car to ensure it runs smoothly. Maintenance. Regular maintenance of the machinery is crucial to prevent breakdowns. Major. Mark decided to pursue a major in computer science to align with his passion for technology. Mall. The shopping mall was bustling with shoppers looking for the latest fashion trends. Manner. Sarah always conducted herself in a polite and courteous manner. Margin. The company aimed to increase its profit margin through strategic business decisions. Marvelous. The breathtaking sunset over the ocean was truly marvelous. Massive. The construction site showcased the progress of the massive skyscraper. Narrow. The winding path through the woods became narrow as they ventured deeper into the forest. Native. Mark felt a strong connection to his native country, cherishing its traditions and culture. Naughty. Despite being scolded, the naughty puppy continued to playfully chase its tail. Nearby. The convenience store was nearby, making it easy for residents to grab essentials. Neighbor. Mark and his neighbor often exchanged pleasantries over the backyard fence. Net. The fisherman skillfully cast his net into the water, hoping for a bountiful catch. Network. Building a professional network is essential for career growth and opportunities. Nicely. The chef arranged the ingredients nicely on the plate, creating an appealing presentation. No way, Mark exclaimed, there's no way I can finish this massive burger. Object. The mysterious object found in the antique shop puzzled historians and collectors alike. Objection. Despite Mark's objection, the team decided to proceed with the new plan. Obligation. Completing the project on time was a professional obligation for the team. Observation. The scientist made a crucial observation that led to a groundbreaking discovery. Observe. Mark took a moment to observe the intricate details of the artwork in the gallery. Obtain. The detective worked tirelessly to obtain the crucial evidence needed to solve the case. Occasion. The family gathered for a festive dinner on the special occasion of Mark's birthday. Occupy. The students decided to occupy the library during finals week to secure a quiet study space. Occur. Unpredictable events can occur at any moment, requiring adaptability and resilience. Ocean. The vast and endless expanse of the ocean mesmerized beachgoers. O'clock. The meeting is scheduled for 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Of course, can you help me with this task? Mark replied, of course, I'd be happy to assist. Operate. The surgeon skillfully prepared to operate on the patient to address the medical issue. Oppose. Despite facing criticism, Mark chose to oppose the controversial policy. Pace. Mark adjusted his walking pace to match the rhythm of the slower-paced nature hike. Pad. The writer scribbled notes on the notepad as ideas flowed from pen to pad. Palace. The Grand Palace stood as a testament to the opulence of a bygone era. Pale. Mark's face turned pale when he realized he had forgotten his wallet at home. Panic. In times of crisis, it's essential not to panic and approach the situation calmly. Parcel. The postman delivered a small parcel containing a surprise gift. Parliament. The members of Parliament debated the proposed legislation for hours. Participate. Mark eagerly agreed to participate in the charity run to support a good cause. Partly. The sky was partly cloudy, with occasional glimpses of the sun. Passenger. Mark sat next to a friendly passenger during the long train journey. Patience. Developing the skill of patience is crucial in navigating life's challenges. Path. The narrow forest path led to a secluded and picturesque clearing. Pattern. The intricate pattern on the rug added a touch of elegance to the room. Pause. Mark took a moment to pause and appreciate the beauty of the sunset. Payment. The customer handed over the exact payment for the purchased items. Qualify. To qualify for the scholarship, students needed to meet specific academic criteria. Quality. The artisan prided himself on creating high-quality handcrafted furniture. Quantity. Mark purchased a large quantity of groceries for the week. Rail. The rhythmic sound of the train rail echoed through the station. Railway. The historic railway connected distant towns, fostering economic development. Range. The store offered a wide range of products to cater to diverse customer needs. Rapid. The rapid growth of technology has transformed the way we live and work. Rare. The antique shop displayed a collection of rare and valuable artifacts. Rarely. Mark rarely missed an opportunity to attend cultural events in the city. React. It's essential to react calmly and thoughtfully in challenging situations. Receipt. Mark carefully filed away the receipt for the expensive purchase. Receive. The athlete was honored to receive the prestigious Sportsmanship Award. Safety. Ensuring the safety of employees is a top priority for every responsible employer. Sail. The sailboat gracefully glided across the serene waters of the lake. Salad. Mark opted for a fresh and healthy salad as his lunch choice. Salary. Mark eagerly awaited his monthly salary to cover expenses and save for the future. Sale. The department store announced a massive end-of-season sale to attract shoppers. Salt. A pinch of salt enhanced the flavors of the savory dish. Sand. Mark enjoyed the feel of warm sand beneath his feet as he walked along the beach. Sandwich. For a quick lunch, Mark prepared a classic ham and cheese sandwich. Satellite. The communication satellite enabled global connectivity and information exchange. Satisfaction. The sense of satisfaction after completing a challenging task is truly rewarding. Sauce. Mark drizzled a flavorful teriyaki sauce over the stir-fried vegetables. Sausage. The aroma of grilling sausages wafted through the air at the summer barbecue. Scale. The architect carefully measured the dimensions using a precise scale. Scheme. The government implemented an ambitious economic scheme to boost development.